Hello and welcome to this video presentation of number 95 Fairwater Drive. My name is Gary, I'm from WhiteKnights Estate Agents. I'll be showing you around. So first of all, we have a 3-bedroom semi-detached house that has been extended on the back. It's immaculately presented and all in all a very nice semi-detached house. Let me just show you the location first of all. So you can see we're set back well here from Fairwater Drive itself. Fairwater Drive, there you go. You can maybe notice in the distance there we have bus stops. So that's very convenient for those that need bus services. Let's now make our way across here. You can see we have a side gate leading to the rear garden. So let's make our way through the front door and into the entrance hall. So you'll notice as we walk round, yes, very nice presented house, nice floorings as well, wood floorings, laminate floorings, nice carpeting. So in the entrance hall you can see the staircase there leading to the first floor. We do have an understairs storage cupboard just along the way there. And I'm going to spin round just to show you the front door entrance that we've just come through, replacement front door. The windows are all UPVC double glazed. So what we have here, a doorway taking you into the lounge and a door ahead of me taking you into the kitchen. So let's start with the lounge. So obviously the extension makes a big difference to all houses, and it certainly does to this one, because you can see the arch in the distance there. That's where the extension started. So the dining area is part of the extension, so much bigger. And what it means is the lounge diner that was is now just a one big lounge. In fact, I'm going to just spin around to my left slightly because we've got rather a nice bay window there, square bay window. And I'm going to turn around and just point into the room from here. So as you can see, good sized room with the arch ahead of me going into the dining area. So the dining area has the patio doors, or French doors, I should say, leading into the garden. A nice laminate flooring in the lounge and dining areas. And on my right hand side here, this single open arch doorway takes you into, well, what was the original kitchen, but this is now in fact the breakfast room. You can see the breakfast bar there with 2 chairs. Worth pointing out the boiler on my left hand side. There's the boiler. And to the right hand side of the breakfast bar we've got space for a fridge freezer. And also, if I just spin round, you can see the door taking you back into the entrance hall, and we've got units there matching to the kitchen. I'm just going to continue spinning round because we then have this opening into the kitchen area. So good work surface space, as you can see. Lots of eye level units and base units. We do have a built-in double oven here on the left hand side, and then to the right we have a 4-ringed hob. The window into the rear garden, and door on the right here taking you into the side access. Space for washing machine and dishwasher. But also I just want to point out the flooring. This actually is a wood flooring, wood panelled flooring. So very nice. Let's take you through here into the hallway and upstairs. So location wise for this property, very handy for shops. In fact, there is a mini market just around the corner. I mentioned to you about the bus services, schools close by. It's all very convenient, and well worth mentioning also the fact that South Lake, with all of its surrounding woodland, is just over the back here as well, within a few minutes walk. So I'm just focusing on the landing. You can see the spindles there, nice banister, big window on the landing, bringing lots of light. I'm just going to point upwards. There's the access to the loft space with a fitted loft ladder as well. So let's show you the main bedroom first of all. Now in this room, I just mentioned we have in situ it looks like a super king size bed. So a huge bed, but if I just walk into the room, you can see there's a radiator under the window there. I'm just going to spin round because that will then give you an idea of where the wardrobes would sit across that wall there perhaps. The wardrobe there is actually freestanding. And let me take you into the second bedroom. which is at the rear of the house. Again, it's a double. All of the bedrooms have this wood effect laminated flooring that you see here. So this is the second bedroom. You can see we have a freestanding wardrobe there. Just going to point out through the back window, there's the extension beneath us. Good size extension. It looks like it's got a relatively new roof on it as well. And the vehicle access at the rear. Sorry about the raindrops on the window. Not a very nice day today. And then above the houses, you can just see the trees. That's where the woodland is and the lake. So vehicle access is actually from the rear into the garage. Now, that's 2 bedrooms. Let's show you the third bedroom, which is this one here. This is an L-shaped room. You can see it sort of, the L is in that area there. But I am just going to point out on the left-hand side, we've got a built-in cupboard wardrobe here as well. Okay, so that's 3 bedrooms we've seen. Now spinning round, we have a very nice refitted bathroom. You can see the pedestal wash basin there, the low-level WC, heated towel rail ahead of me. Here's the rear aspect window, a frosted window with a double glazed sealed units, but I am just going to spin round and let's just try and show you the bath and shower. It's a P-shaped bath, as you can see. It's got a curved shower screen there, glass one, and there's the shower. Nicely tiled surrounds. So that's the property. Let's now take you into the rear garden. So we're now in the rear garden. First of all, I'd like to show you this big patio area. You can see the table and chairs. Plenty of space for furniture. It does extend across the full width of the house. Let me just show you the side access as well. There's the side gate there, and you can see the door there into the kitchen. And then beyond the patio, we have the lawn. You can see we've got brick wall surround, and just in the corner on the right hand side you can see we've got a gate leading to the sort of driveway at the back. And this building here, this is the garage. Doors open, so let's show you the garage. It's a very large garage, more like a 1.5 size, I'd say. So let's see if I can give you an idea of just how big this is. You can see we have lighting, good lighting, power in here as well. There's the width of the front door there with a bit of space to the right and much wider bit to the left. Let me spin round. And that certainly gives you an idea just how big this garage is. Like I said, about a 1.5 size garage, really useful. So that just about brings us to the end of the tour. I'm just going to finish in the garden just by pointing at the back of the house, showing you the extension. There you go. So any questions you may have, do call the number on the website. My name is Gary. Do speak to me. Alternatively, it's the same number to book a viewing appointment. Just remains to say thank you for watching.